Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution deal with the Constitution of Parliament of India? Article 79. Answer is C. Which of the article deals with the composition of Council of States, Rajya Sabha, and the manner of election of its members? Article 80. There are some important articles like Article 40, Article 62, Article 93, Article 424, Article 394. There are some important articles, so you can read there. The representatives of state in Rajya Sabha are elected by which? राज्य सभा के जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होते हैं उन्हें कौन इलेक्ट करता है? They are elected by the state legislative assembly. Answer is B. The number of representatives of the Rajya Sabha from state and union territories are among which one of the following? A. 238. How many number of members are nominated by the president? There are 12 members that are nominated by the president to Rajya Sabha. Which among the following is not a standing committee? Public Account, Ethics, Business Advisory, Railway Convention Committee is not a standing committee. Yeah, answer is C. Consider the following statement which among the is not true. So, a standing committee or permanent committee that are on a regular basis, ad hoc committee, temporary, committee of privileges, ad hoc committee, joint committee. So, committee of privileges and ad hoc committee. It is wrong. It is not an ad hoc committee. Joint committee on fertilizer pricing is a standing committee? No, it is not a standing committee. So, the right answer is A. Only third and fourth. Which among the following is not true about the Public Accounts Committee? The committee was first set up in 1999. Its main function to the audit the annual reports of controller CAG. It consists of 15 Lok Sabha members and 7 Rajya Sabha members. So, you can see the term of the office of the Public Accounts Committee is 1 year. So, you can see the third is also incorrect. The fourth is also one incorrect because there is not a 1 year. Second, there is no Audit and Controller General of India who had the main function to audit the annual reports. The committee was not set up in 1999. So, answer is all are true. D. Which among the following is not true about the estimate committee? Like estimate committee has a right to question the policy approved by the parliament? No, it can't. It consists of members that are both from Lok Sabha and other Rajya Sabha? No. Chairman of the estimate committee is always from the opposition party. It's not a mandatory thing, but so answer is first is right. The first estimate committee of the post-independent era was set up in 1950. So second, third, and fourth was wrong. Consider the following statement about the Committee on Government Assurance. Which of the following are not true? It was constituted in 1953. Yeah, it's true. Its main function to examine undertaking given by the minister. Yeah, that's true. For the Lok Sabha, it consists of 15 members. Yeah. For the Rajya Sabha, it consists of 10 members. No, it can't be true. So, right answer is D. There are question you can face in your exams like that which is not true in that statement. So you should consider the not word. You just consider the thing that could be, but you just think the not word. And you may assure yourself about the amendments, about articles. Just read it. And let's end the class and we will see you soon. Bye.